Face ID is disabled after iOS 18 update. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Face ID is disabled after update iOS 18.1 beta. A lot of iPhone users facing this kind of issue. So basically when beta release, there are many bugs on that update. So make sure you always update your iPhone to the official update. So if you're facing the Face ID disable issue on your iPhone, in this video I will show you how you can fix. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. If force to restart works for you and your iPhone Face ID is working, then it's okay. If not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, in that section, you can see a person screen, tap on reset and reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. After that, if that method working, it's well. Otherwise, move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay. Now tap on accessibility. Okay. Now in that section, you need to scroll down below and tap on Face ID and attention. Tap on that. Okay, make sure require attention for Face ID is enabled and other attention aware feature is also enabled. Okay, make sure that both feature is enabled when you try to use the Face ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will fix your issue. So friends, after watching this video and follow these simple steps, you can easily fix that your iPhone Face ID not working after update iOS 18. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store. They will fix your issue. After watching this video, hope you will all know how to fix. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.